In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching Settings and clicking on Connections. Then click on Bluetooth and tap on this switcher at the top if it's not already on. Then wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, hit this gear right next to your connected device and tap on Unpair at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!